So let me share the screen.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So I hope the screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. It's
Okay.
visible.
Good. Good. So any problem in whatever we have discussed in the last class?
No, sir.
No issues. Very good. I
No,
think
sir.
we have done with the arithmetic mean, and some part of the median has also been discussed, like this. Median in
Yes,
case of
sir.
individual observation. This is what we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So we'll wait for 1 minute for others to join, and then we'll start at sharp 10:33. So meanwhile, if anyone else has any issue, any problem, you can discuss in 1 minute.
So these are the numbers presented in the last class. So I think we can start today's.
Okay. 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 So
Sir,
yes, yes, Nibanita.
sir, from 10:50 in
Yes,
our
yes,
group.
yes, yes. So I'll leave you. I mean, we'll have a very short discussion of the class
Okay,
for
sir.
approximately 15 to 20 minutes. I'll get you free by 10:50. Don't worry about that.
Okay, sir.
But I don't want you to miss this because so that we can cover up this basic portion and then we can start afresh from Monday. That is why I wanted to take this class.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So we have done with the individual observations in case of median. So this is what we need to discuss it today. That in case the data given to us is of kind of a discrete series, discrete data. So what should we do in that case? How to calculate the median? So again, this is one of the way of writing it. Otherwise you can you don't need to like mug all these things or in सबको याद रखना पड़ेगा or if you forget one thing you might miss it. This is quite simple, that as we said that data should be arranged in ascending or descending order, so it should be arranged in that manner. So over here it is arranged, the data is arranged in ascending order. So now we need to create a cumulative frequency. This is what we need to focus upon, because in case whenever there is a frequency data, there is a frequency distribution table, we always have to create cumulative frequency in case of median. Again I am repeating, if you want to calculate median and the frequency is given along with the data, then you need to calculate the CF, which is called as cumulative frequency. And I hope you all know how to calculate CF. So I am calculating it over here. You can do it along with this table over here only. So let us do it over here only. We can do it. So how to find out cumulative frequency? How to calculate it? Can anyone tell me? No one. Okay.
Sir, forgot.
You forgot. No issues. You might be not able to recall. We used to write this is frequency, this is our data x. So we write the first frequency and then we add the next frequency into it. So 10 plus 15 will become 25, then 25 plus 20 will become 45, then 45 plus 15 will become 60, and 60 plus 5 will become 65. The last value of cumulative frequency is same as the sum of frequency column. If you add all these frequency together, you will get the value same as the last value of CF. Is it clear how to find out the cumulative frequency? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
No problem. Okay. So after finding out the cumulative frequency, it is saying that find out summation f upon 2. So summation f means total of f. It will be 65. You can check. 10 plus 15, 25 plus 20, 45, then 15, 60, 60 plus 5, 65. So find out summation f upon 2. 65 upon 2. So after finding out the cumulative frequency, we will find out summation f. Summation f divided by 2. What will it be?
32.5, sir.
32.5. Then
32.5.
yes, then it is saying that check the cumulative frequency greater than or equal to the value of summation f upon 2. Means you need to check the CF column, the cumulative frequency column, and check whether you are getting 32.5 over here. Is there any value which is equal to 32.5?
No, sir.
No. Then you can take the value which is just greater than that. This 32.5. What will it be?
45, sir.
45. This one. You need, again I am repeating, you need, after calculating summation f upon 2, you need to find out the value, you need to check CF column and check whether you are finding any value which is either equal to or just greater than 32.5. So you have got it as 45 because there is no 32.5, so we have taken the value which is just greater than, just above 32.5, which is 45. So the corresponding value, corresponding x value will be your median. That means in this example, median m is equal to 75. Okay, well, I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Sir.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed this thing and the calculation of median. Is it clear with everyone in case of discrete series?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can quickly move on to the continuous
Yes, sir.
series. This is also kind of a simple one. So in case of continuous series, it is stating that, as I told you, whenever you have frequency given and they ask you to calculate the, Tanya, can you please mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. So whenever it is asked median, I told you that you need to find out the cumulative frequency. This is the same step which we have done in case of discrete series, and the same step, the second step is also same. Calculate summation f upon 2, then check the CF greater or equal to summation f upon 2 and select corresponding class as median class. So the process remains the same till here. Now we have this formula. So just in this remaining 5 minutes we'll understand this formula and how to apply this. So the formula says median m is equal to L plus summation f upon 2 minus c upon f into I, where L is the lower limit of median class, f is the frequency of median class, c is the CF of class preceding median class, and I is the class interval. Now let us understand. So first thing we need to calculate CF. So tell me the value of CF quickly. What should I write first in CF?
21.
So 5. So 5,
12.
12,
12,
12,
15.
15,
sir, 15,
17.
17, 17, and 21, sir.
21. That means summation f comes out to be 21. You can check.
Yes, sir.
It is 21. Then we have to calculate summation f upon 2. It is again the same thing. So 21 upon 2, 10.5.
So
Am I right?
10.5. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
check the CF equal to or just greater than 10.5.
Sir, 12.
12.
12.
Now from here, the things become different. This particular class, because this 12 is the value which is just greater than 10.5, this class is called as median class.
Median class.
Now we need to find out all these values from this median class. So first it is saying L. L is the lower limit of median class. What will it be?
70.
70.
70.
70. Lower limit of the median class. F. Frequency of the median class.
7.
7. Very good. C is the CF of the class preceding median class. Median class से just पहले वाली CF.
5.
5.
5. So C will become 5. And I, class interval,
10.
10.
10.
Is it clear to everyone? All the values?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So we will put all these values over here. M is equal to is 70 plus summation f upon 2 value is 10.5. I am writing it directly. Minus C is 5 divided by f, which is 7 multiplied by 10. The significance of selecting this as a median class is that your median is somewhere within this class, within 70 to 80. So we'll find out what is median. So 70 remain as it is and solve this particular bracket. So 10.5 minus 5 will be what? 4.5? Oh sorry, 5.5?
5.5.
5.5 into 10 divided by 7. M is equal to 70 plus 55 divided by 7. M is equal to 70 plus 55 divided by 7. Do it quickly and tell me the answer.
7.86.
7.85.
7.85 or 86. No issues. So M is equal to 77.85.
77.85.
Now you can check that 77.85 is there within this range.
Yes, sir.
That is why this class is called as median class, that your median is somewhere in this class. So this is how we calculate median in all the three cases. One when it is individual series, second when it is discrete series, and third when it is continuous series. Any problem, any doubt will be welcomed. Otherwise we are done, and as I promised, I have completed it within the range of 10.50. It is 10:49 right now.
Yes,
So
sir.
you guys,
No problem, sir.
no problem. So if there is no problem, you guys can go and join that talk series immediately. I'll join you over there and enjoy that talk series. Listen that carefully and ask all your doubts if any, and we'll again meet on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Test is scheduled, so
Thank
do
you,
it
sir.
accordingly, right? Thank you.